Today we will introduce to you smart gadgets. After seeing this video, we are sure your home is going to be smarter than ever. Let's move on. Number 1. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This robot vacuum has a 200ml dust box and a 230mm water tank, allowing it to sweep and mop your home and keeping it clean. Anti-drop sensors and an infrared buffer anti-collision board detect and avoid obstacles. The purchase price is $164.96. Number 2. Smart Cutting Board and Knife Set. This holder will go into drying mode automatically and keep your cutting boards and knives clean and dry. The set includes 4 knives in various sizes and colors for various food items. This smart kitchen item costs $189.99. Number 3. Digital Meat Thermometer. This is a meat thermometer, which is quite fancy, isn't it? You can get an accurate temperature with a 1 degree centigrade difference if you leave it in food for 2 to 4 seconds. The backlight screen, built-in magnet, and large hanging hole make it more appealing. Number 4. Fruit and Vegetable Washing Machine. Electrolysis, degradation, and deep purification. More than 99% purity is guaranteed. Just press the switch. Only 10 minutes and that's it. Number 5. Automatic Liquid Soap Dispenser. Another Amazon bestseller, a 500mm 4AA alkaline battery-powered liquid soap dispenser. The infrared sensor detects your hands from up to 2.75 inches away. Number 6. Intelligent Toilet. You can set the temperature and pressure of your water cleanse and air dry, as well as your preferred seat temperature, allowing you to control all your settings with voice commands. Number 7. Memory Foam Hybrid Mattress. You can use the GhostBed companion app to assist you. Number 8. Cordless Hairdryer. A hairdryer with no cord. Blow drying your hair has never been easier. Going cordless also allows you to securely dry other items, such as a painting, wet shoes, or even your beloved pet after a bath. Number 9. Screwdriver Sets 142-piece. This repair kit comes with 22 useful accessories. The repair tools are kept safe in an Oxford bag that is tear-resistant and shock-proof. It's not heavy, so don't expect it to be. This 5-star item is only $27.99. Number 10. Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Many people already love this $34 Bluetooth keyboard that is roughly 2/3 the size of a standard computer keyboard. It has a kickstand that allows you to support your smartphone horizontally while viewing the small screen. Number 11. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. This salt and pepper grinder runs on batteries and is more powerful than rechargeable grinders. Turning the grinder yields freshly ground spices. Simply adjust the roughness to your preference. Rotate clockwise to grind fine particles and anti-clockwise to grind larger particles. This item is also powered by 8 AAA 1.5-volt batteries. The cost is $34.99. Number 12. Boiled Egg Peeler. The Neg is a small device that makes peeling boiled eggs simple. To the Neg, add some water and your boiled egg. Shift it around a few times and remove the shelled egg. It only takes a couple of seconds. You're finished when you see the white of the egg appear. The egg will then break free from its shell. It costs $14.99. Number 13. Massager. This air compression massager offers a total of 9 different massage techniques and methods, as well as a 20-minute timer off function, so both young and old can safely enjoy the personalized massage provided by the foot and leg massager. Prolonged use helps lessen fatigue and pain while also increasing blood circulation. For now, $100 is the price. Number 14. Magnetic Spice Racks. Rust-proof and corrosion-resistant rack set. Since no drilling is required, installation is simple. Strong magnet for attaching to your refrigerator. One rack can hold 12 standard spice jars weighing 11 pounds. It's a good deal at $39. Number 15. First Alert Alexa-enabled smoke detector. By downloading the OneLink Home app from First Alert, you can monitor carbon monoxide levels, set up a nightlight, and receive house updates. To ensure maximum security, use the app to track battery life and determine when it's time to replace them. The item's price is $206.93. Number 16. Lollipop Baby Camera with True Crying Detection. You can keep a close eye on your child without having to stand over a traditional monitor with the help of this adorable device. It can play soothing music too. The item is priced at $160. Number 17. Bose SoundLink Color Bluetooth Speaker 2. With an 8-hour playback time and water-resistant construction, it's ideal for your home. The cost of the item is $160. Number 18. Pura Smart Home Plug-in Diffuser Kit. The Pura air freshener links to your phone via an app and is the most intelligent method to scent your home. Try it for less than $30. Number 19. Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Essential Oil Aromatherapy. This smart aroma diffuser blends scent and light to give you the best experience at home or at a spa. Number 20. Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker. Simply add fresh water, insert your preferred K-Cup pod, press the brew button. Choose from hundreds of delicious K-Cup pod variations and enjoy 6 to 12 ounces of your preferred beverage for just $84.28. Number 21. Home Gym. The scientifically created CoreMax 2.0 combines 8 exercises that burn calories in just 8 minutes daily. $89.98 is the price. Number 22. Herb Saver Best Keeper. Herb Saver Best Keeper, along with its water, keeps the herbs last longer. This masterpiece costs you $24. Number 23. TileMate. TileMate ensures you will get your lost items. Just attach the tile to any of your items, download the Tile app on your phone, and when the item is lost, press the button on the tile to trigger a ringing sound. It is $49.95. Number 24. Digital Food Scale and Measuring Cup. This built-in scale and measuring cup makes measurement accurate. The LED display is simple to read, making it ideal for bakers. One costs $39.99. Number 25. Hatch Restore. Hatch Restore functions as a sound machine, dawn alarm, smart light, meditation app, and alarm clock all in one. Your bedtime and wake-up routine, favorite sound collection, and 22 light hues, everything in one for $39.98. Number 26. Amazon Fire TV Cube. It is the first streaming video player to have a HDMI input connector and is Wi-Fi enabled, in addition to having a dedicated Ethernet and USB port. Buy one for $179. Number 27. Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Get an Angry Mama for your microwave and get it cleaned within no time. Simplest and quickest method. All you need is water and vinegar. $7.99 is the price. Number 28. HyperX Cloud Alpha Gaming. HyperX Cloud Alpha headphones have a 300-hour battery life. In addition to their durability, these headphones provide a strong, clean sound and a mic that is of the highest calibration. Number 29. Colher Moxie Showerhead. A Harman Kardon wireless Bluetooth speaker that pairs with your phone to play a song while you shower. The first step for your smart bathroom will cost you approximately $100. Number 30. Anovo Sous Vide Cooker. You can set the temperature and cooking time using the buttons on the top of the device or the auxiliary app. The stainless steel heater can circulate up to 8 liters of water per minute. This entire package is $219.95. Number 31. Video conference camera, microphone, and speaker. For $1,049, you get a smart device. It's quite impressive that you have 360-degree video in 1080p HD and 360-degree audio up to 18-inch. It also works with almost all web-based video conferencing platforms. Number 32. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. Set the perfect drinking temperature so your coffee is always good to serve. This mug maintains a temperature for up to 1.5 hours. The product is available at $125. Number 33. Smart Toothbrush. Your smart toothbrush will track how often and for how hard you brush, as well as alert you if you're not brushing your teeth well enough. Pairing it with Amazon Alexa will also remind you when it's time to upgrade your toothbrush top. This is for $23. Number 34. Blink Video Doorbell. One of the smartest doorbells you can ever buy. This offers a sharp 1080 pixel picture. You receive instant alerts to your mobile when visitors press the doorbell. That model costs $230. Number 35. Instaglow Toaster. Instead of simply heating for a set amount of time, the Instaglow employs a technique to modify the heat based on your preference and achieve your desired level of browning. No more crumb trays. The Instaglow gives warnings. Make your breakfast extra easy and tasty for $485. Hey, like this video if you found it useful. Do not forget to comment down below on your favorite gadget. Keep in touch. Goodbye.